Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you a coffee connoisseur in the making, or maybe you know someone that really loves coffee? You have to get this coffee lab station from KitUp. This station is so beautiful. Let me show you some of the details up close. This espresso kit is so cool. It has everything that you need if you are a barista in the making. For one thing, it came with a brush so that you can keep it nice and clean at all times. And the brush fits right into the stainless steel storage area that also has space for the included latte art tool, as well as the scrub brush for your portafilter. The silicone tamper mat is included, and it has a nice little spot for your tamper, which is not included. Your portafilter can hang out right onto the little shelf, and anytime you're ready to start brewing your espresso, everything is set up so that it fits perfectly and you can use it to get going. It also came with a knock box with a stainless steel rod that fits across and right into the kit. So you can tamp your coffee at the end, put your grounds in there, and everything is kept nice and clean. It has stainless steel handles for the ends so you can easily move it around. You can remove them if it creates too much space. And it also has a barista towel as well as a silicone mat to keep everything in place. Again, if you're a coffee connoisseur, you know someone that is, and you want to make either yourself super happy or make their day, then definitely get them this coffee lab station. It is stunning, well made, beautiful, and so thoughtful in all of the details. I absolutely love it, and I would highly recommend getting it. But that's just my point of view.